Based on your research, can you talk about what kind of minds function better in complex, information-rich environments? Why they're able to do so?
Here I would return to this fundamental ability to use the remote control of your mind, to decide on which aspects of a complex environment that you're going to focus your attention on, and thereby control which things are going to occupy your really limited space in working memory. So the individuals that tend to succeed in complex environments are the ones who can take their goal for that particular event or task and use it to voluntarily control which aspect of the environment they're currently focusing their mind on. This determines which aspect of the environment will then enter into their working memory, and that is the online workspace of our ability to reason and solve problems.